Hi everyone, welcome back. From the today we are going to start a new series with the Laravel and the mongoDB. And in this specific video we are going to learn how we can connect the Laravel and the mongoDB. So from the mongoDB we will fetch some data and show on the browser with some code. Alright, so the steps are, first of all we will create a DB in the Mongo. Then we will install a library with the help of Composer to fetch the data from mongoDB. It will make a connection between PHP and the mongoDB, and after that we will write some code to show the data which is coming from the Mongo to the browser. Alright, so now let's start. So first of all, just close this one and open the new terminal and just go to the Mongo, and I'm expecting that your mongoDB is already installed. For just write the Mongo and here just show DBs, and I'm just going to create one more DB with the name of Laravel. Alright, so just create one more collection and insert some data inside it. So just write here db dot Lara collection. Alright, so I think it's a big name, just write here Lara C. Alright, dot insert, and inside the insert function we are going to make an object and just write some data here, who, and who is there, PHP step by step. Right, and hit the enter, and now you can see that we got the one result inserted here. Alright, so now there is a link. This link is also given inside the description box to install the library, which library we have to install. Alright, to connect the PHP and the mongoDB, otherwise we are not able to catch this. Alright, so for that you have to use this command. Alright, composer required mongoDB, where you have to use it inside your project. Alright, and just hit the enter. I already have installed this. For you, if you want to check that, you can check here inside the composer, just right here Mongo. I already installed this, so I'm just going to cancel it because it will take some time and otherwise the video will going to be too long, so that I'm just going to drop this. I already installed this, so you can install this and wait for a while. It will not giving an error, and if this is giving an error, you can ask me in the comment box. Alright, so this is installed. Now actually what we have to do, we have to create a component, controller for that. You can just come here, just write here PHP artisan make mongo test. Alright, and hit the enter. Okay, just we have to write here make controller, and now it will work. Alright, so now you will see, okay, just close all these things, we don't need to show them. Now you can see inside the application and HTTP and controller there is a mongo test. Alright, so here I'm just going to make a function, so you can write here function connect. Maybe connect is already registered name, so mongo connect you can write here. Alright, and for now, just testing purpose, code will be here. Let's check is it working or not. And now just open your web.php folder. So just remove the extra code for now, and here you can write here mongo test at the rate, what is my function name, which is the mongo connect. Sorry, that's my bad. Alright, so now let's check, is it working? Okay, it's working. So now let's start with the code also. So just come here, and first of all we have to import the library. So for that, just use mongoDB and slash and client, and you can use it as Mongo. Alright, okay, so now just copy this Mongo and make a new object like Mongo from new Mongo. Alright, and after that just write here dollar connection equal to dollar Mongo, and your DB name. What's your DB name? I think DB name is Laravel. Let's check here. Yes, Laravel is a DB name. And then we have to write the collection name. Collection name is Lara C. Okay, let's write here Lara C. Alright, so I think it's ready to connect now. So just now you can write here return, and inside the return just check the collect connection, find, and you can just write here to array. Okay, and now let's see, is it working or not? Okay, so you can see that we got the data here. Okay, so let's make some more entries here. Do subscribe and name Anil Sidhu. And now let's refresh it and see. Now you can see that we got the whole data here. So this is the basic video how we can connect the mongoDB with the Laravel. In the next video we will learn something new, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.